Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Virgin router flashing red, restore Wi-Fi and internet connection fast. Fix 1. Restart the Virgin Media Hub. So switch off the hub using the power switch at the back or wall socket. Wait at least 10 seconds, then switch it back on. Now allow 5 to 10 minutes for the hub to reconnect. It is ready when the normal white power light becomes steady. Fix 2. Check all cable connection. So check the power cable, round coaxial, broadband cable and any ethernet cable. Disconnect and firmly reconnect each cable at both ends. Make sure the coaxial cable is fingering tight and it is not damaged. Sharply bent or loose, Virgin Media recommend checking cable connection whenever a red light appear. Fix 3. Check for a Virgin Media outage. Use Virgin Media service status checker through the Virgin Media website or app. Sign in with your account details or enter your postcode to check for faults. In your area, if an outage is reported, the red light should disappear after Virgin Media restore the services. The fix 4. Keep the hub cool. Place the hub upright in an open and well ventilated location. Do not keep it inside a cupboard, behind a television or near a radiator. If the hub feels unusually hot, switch it off, allow it to cool and then restart it. Fix 5. Factory reset the hub. Keep the hub switched on, find the small reset hole on the back or bottom, then press it with a pen or approximate 10 seconds, allow the hub several minutes to restart. This message customize Wi-Fi names, password and other settings. So devices may need to reconnect using the information printed on the hub. Fix 6. Contact Virgin Media support. If the red light connected continues after checking the cable, restarting, checking services status and resetting the hub, then run Virgin Media online broadband test. Virgin Media can identify a line fault, arrange an engineer visit or replace a fault hub when necessary. Goodbye and thanks for watching.